morning, everyone. It's Mark. It's early Saturday morning. It's cold. I'm in my PJs right now. And I'm wearing my socks and sandals. It's, I don't know, the temperature is 36 degrees right now. I'm heading to the post office to drop off just 2 packages. Let's see if I can do this. I have a stop sign. This is not ethical. Bradley from Montana and Debbie from Ohio. Thank you guys. Your orders are going out. These are it's both of them are the same orders. This happened yesterday morning, or I mean last night, this morning. It happened between those hours because it's 10:45. I mean 9:45 in the morning. So there's only 2 orders as of now. Anything after this, they're going out Monday. I consider it Monday's orders. These 2 are the same orders. They are Magic the Gathering 6 packs of Throne of Eldraine. Guys, your orders are going out today. You should be getting them pronto. I haven't had any breakfast yet. My wife and kids are still sleeping. I did something yesterday that was new. I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. Something I wanted to do for a very long time. When I mean very long time, I would say since the middle of the summer that when I first found out about this app. It's just been like a craze, like a social media app that people go on, and I want to use this as a platform to sell. It's called TikTok. Now, I have nephews. My kid talks about it. It's kind of like an Instagram, Facebook, and I want to use it to sell things. I want to post little clips, and I want to put the information there where people can buy it, or at least they know where they could buy it. That's what I'm only using it for. So last night, this was probably around 2 in the morning. Yes, I went to see Beverly, and that's why I'm waking up now, and I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like a bum. I'm bumming it out this morning. Well, either way, I made a little clip, and when I made a clip, I didn't make a video clip. I posted 4 photos in one. Sorry guys, hold on. There's a construction going on. Sorry about that. I took 4 photos that I had in my camera library, and it's about one of my products that I sell, and I decided to put those 4 photos together, make a little clip with music on it, and advertise it. Just put a little information in there, not a link, but where you can, because I still don't know how to put links in this TikTok app, but I did put a little information in there. And the only reason why I'm talking about this is because since last night to now, I've got a lot of views. I think I got over 30 views on this one photo. To me, that's a lot. Especially I had no friends on it, nothing. Just threw a photo in there, put a little hashtag words in there, and that was it. And it seems that people are looking at it, and I don't know what they're saying, because I don't know. People are liking it. Somebody wrote awesome, somebody else wrote, I mean, these could be bots for all I care, but the traffic is there. If there's something that you want to sell, for example, I clicked the word thrifting on TikTok, and it had over 10.7 million views, the word thrifting. Magic the Gathering had about 7.2 million views, meaning these are the people who are searching these words on TikTok. So I'm gonna take advantage of that. I'm going to start advertising there. Reason why is because, one, PayPal is no longer gonna work with eBay. So when you sell something, the customer has options to transfer the money. Now, I love PayPal. I love the way how easy it is. You receive the money first, and then you take care of the order. I love that. I also want to do the same thing when eBay and PayPal, when they're no longer merging. I kind of want to use PayPal and Venmo on my TikTok app, where I can post photos, post videos, and people who like it and want to buy it, they know where to contact me. So I don't have to pay the PayPal, or I don't have to pay the eBay fees. And you're saying, well, what about the shipping? Because eBay gives you shipping discounts for using their platform. That's true. But also pirate shipping. If you use their sign into pirate shipping, get an account, it's free. And they pretty much give you the same discount as eBay. That's what I'm planning on doing. So then I can still get that cheap discount when somebody buys my product through PayPal and not eBay. I mean, this is just another revenue, just another way of making side income, because if you use all these platforms to your advantage, these side incomes can merge into one, and you're making some good money if you know what you're doing. I want to invest more products to get more capital, and that's where I am right now. I'm finding different revenues, different ways on how to make capital. Alright guys, my rant's gonna end there. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. It's Saturday morning and we have a lot to do. Peace guys.